Tapescrip 0.1.2.
It's my favorite.
Wow, good picture so far.
Thank you.
What are they?
Guess.
Okay, ice cream. Number one is ice cream.
So what is the question?
Oh, is it ice cream?
No.
I know. What's your favorite food?
Yes, that's right.
Cool. Number two is it owl? It's a bird.
Question?
What's your favorite animal?
Birds are my favorite animal.
I know this one. You love maths. What's your favorite subject?
Math is my favorite subject.
Homework. I hate homework, but you love it. What's your favorite things after school?
Yes, homework is my favorite.
Football. I know you like to watch football. What's your favorite sport?
Yes, that's right. Football is my favorite. Number 6?
It's our school. Favorite place to sleep?
No.
I know. What's your favorite place?
School is my favorite.
End of Tapescrip 0.1.2.